The number of coronavirus cases in the hospital and clinics continues to decline throughout North Mississippi Health Services. WTVA's Taylor Tucker takes us to the hospital in Tupelo, where she spoke with medical leaders about the positive updates.
Right now in North Mississippi, we are seeing the lowest amount of cases that we've seen since the beginning of the pandemic. I spoke with two medical officials to gain insight on how they plan to continue this ongoing safety for both patients and the staff.
Let us help you. Please let us help you, because we can, and we are incredibly safe.
Things are improving in the hospital for both patients and employees, according to Assistant Chief Medical Officer Jeremy Blanchard. He said there are 3 indicators that things are getting better in the hospital: how many patients they have, how many employees get sick, and how many people test positive.
So our numbers have gone down dramatically, which I think reflects the prevalence of the virus has gone down dramatically.
He said safety precautions at the hospital are also improving. Employees use electronic monitoring systems to check their temperatures. The screening is done daily to make sure that all the employees are symptom-free before catering to patients. While the hospital continues to follow CDC and MSDH guidelines, they are also working to educate people about the importance of getting vaccinated. They also want to make sure the vaccinations are accessible to everyone.
I have 2 very effective vaccines and potentially another vaccine on the way. So I'm hopeful that as time goes by, vaccine access is going to get better and better.
In the months ahead, Blanchard said the hospitals will stay vigilant by continuing to use safety precautions throughout their systems.
And as we continue to vaccinate, I think that'll be reflected. So although I do expect we probably will get a rise in COVID as we sort of head into Easter and that time period coming out of that, I don't think it'll be to the level that it's been, although nobody has a crystal ball.
Here are just a few numbers to show you how things are improving in North Mississippi. So on January 8th, there were 1,118 patients. Yesterday, there were only 31 patients throughout the entire 7-hospital system. Also in January, there was about, 400 employees out for COVID or suspicious of it. Yesterday, only 32. These are all good signs and evident that the cases in North Mississippi are decreasing. Reporting in Tupelo, Taylor Tucker, WTVA 9 News.